Humans have spent centuries trying to solve problems. But what if I told you the answers were already solved millions of years ago? By birds, plants, insects, and even tiny sea creatures. This is biomimicry, nature teaching us how to innovate, adapt, and survive. Biomimicry is the practice of learning from nature's genius and using it to solve human problems. It's not just copying, it's understanding how nature works and applying those solutions to technology, design, medicine, and even artificial intelligence. Think of it as being a student of the natural world, where every invention we admire often has a natural blueprint. Take airplanes, for example. Did you know that the shape of an airplane wing was inspired by birds in flight? Scientists studied the curve, flexibility, and lift of bird wings and realized we could mimic it for smoother, faster flight. Without birds, human aviation might look completely different or might never have taken off at all. Next, the lotus leaf. On the surface, water just rolls off, taking dirt and dust with it. Engineers studied this property and created self-cleaning materials used in solar panels, hospital surfaces, and even waterproof clothing. Nature had already solved a cleaning problem humans were still struggling with. Mussels stick to rocks in crashing waves. Spider silk is incredibly strong and flexible, stronger than steel by weight. Scientists studied these materials and invented stronger adhesives, surgical threads, and bulletproof fibers. Once again, nature solved the engineering challenge first. Termite mounds are naturally air-conditioned. Without electricity, these structures stay cool despite extreme heat. Architects studied these mounds and designed energy-efficient buildings that mimic termite ventilation systems, saving energy and reducing waste. It's like learning from nature's ancient air conditioning blueprint. Even algorithms come from nature. Ants find the shortest path to food, bees communicate the location of flowers. Scientists studied these patterns to create AI algorithms, optimize traffic systems, and improve logistics. Nature's intelligence is older than humans and sometimes smarter too. Every human invention we call genius often already exists in nature. Biomimicry reminds us that humans are not alone in innovation. We are students of the world around us. And the more we study, the more we discover that nature has already solved most of the problems we think are unsolvable. If you want to see exactly how dolphins, spiders, and even slime molds are shaping human technology, subscribe now and turn on notifications. Because in the next video, we'll explore creatures that inspired secret technologies humans didn't even invent themselves. Nature invented it first.